Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be reviewing the NARS Laguna Bronzing Cream, and this is how the packaging looks like. I love NARS packaging, and then this is the actual product. I'm not gonna get too close because it is pretty reflecting, but this is how it looks like. And then I got the shade Laguna 4. This is how it looks from the back. Now this is not a new product, they just came out with newer shades. So I got Laguna 4. They also have Laguna 5. That one was not in store, but I did see it online, and it says it's a deep bronze with neutral undertones. I didn't go for that one because I felt as if like it was a little bit too rich and deep. Yes, it's definitely gonna work for, you know, deeper skin tone, but I felt like on me it would be too cool tone where it would look more like a contour than a bronzer. And I love me a really nice warm bronzer. That's why I went with Laguna 4. Hopefully this one works, because when I was in store I did swatch it and I felt as if it was very, very pretty. Now let me show you guys how it looks like. I did dig my nails into it, so you're gonna see that, and I did swatch it earlier as well. So this is how it looks like. So it's really, really pretty. And then as I mentioned, I did swatch it earlier, so it's right here, and I did kind of like rub it in just to see how good it is. But I'm gonna give you guys another swatch. So this is it right here. Trying to focus. Okay, this is it right here, and then this is it right here. I think it's so pretty, and it's very creamy, so I feel as if it's gonna be very nice to blend. And yeah, it blends pretty easily on my arm. So I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer so you guys could see how it looks like. I did go with the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I do have a review on this. If you are interested, I'll link it. Before I start, I just want to give you guys a little, you know, just a little something about the product. It says it is a decadently creamy bronzing formula that is inspired by the best-selling shade of Laguna. Highlighted ingredients: it has Monoi de Tahiti oil, so it's lightly scented oil that helps lock in moisture, visibly firm and visibly tone the complexion. Okay, and it goes over the ingredients, and yeah, it just says that it's a creamy formula, glides into skin, delivering long-lasting second skin warmth with a natural looking finish. It's scented with their oil that I went over. Yeah, basically just saying the same thing that I just read. Yeah, and it retails for $38. So I'm gonna bring you guys a bit closer so you guys can see how it looks like. I am getting over a cold, so if I sound like out of breath and kind of nasally, that's why. But let me bring you guys a bit closer so you guys can see how it looks on. Okay, I think you guys are pretty close. So I'm so excited to try this because I love bronzers. I'm more of a like a powder bronzer, but I love NARS that I wanted to try this. So I'm gonna work my brush because I do prefer to apply my all my products with a brush instead of a sponge, but of course you could go with whatever you prefer. Oh yeah, I see it. It smells really nice. I like the smell. Yeah, it smells really, really nice. Like I would love this in like a lotion or a body oil. It smells really, really good. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is really nice. Okay, I like it. So this is this side without it, and this is this side with it. I hope you guys are able to see it because I could see it. I think it looks really nice. Okay, so this is how my face is looking like with the bronzer. I think I made the right decision with going with Laguna 4 because I do see the warmth and I think it looks really, really nice. Hopefully you guys are able to see it as well. I think it looks so pretty. Hey guys, so the previous clip I did show you guys how the bronzer was looking like with one of my lights. The light was like facing on top of me, so it looked very glowy and bright, but I did move it so you guys could see the bronzer on my face like in a more subtle type of lighting, if that makes sense. So this is how it's looking like. Yeah, I think I made the right choice. Let me just, my concealer is creasing on my eyelids, but yeah, but I think I made the right choice with going with Laguna 4. I really do like the way this look. It's very blendable, it's buildable, and it gives me the warmth that I'm looking for. This is how I like my bronzers to look. I like it to look, you know, very warm, like I just came from, you know, some type of island, and I think that's what she's giving me. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup and then you guys could see the final look. I am going to like set it slightly with one of my bronzers, so I might just add that clip just so you guys could see, because I do have oily skin and this is a cream product. So yeah, but so far I think it looks so pretty. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is how my face turned out. I think my face looked really, really nice. And again, you guys, I really like this NARS bronzer. I think it looks really nice on. Again, it retails for $38. To me, that's a very affordable, reasonable price. I don't think it's too expensive. And again, I got the shade Laguna 4, which in my opinion, I feel as if that's the shade that's right for me. Again, Laguna 5 to me was just a little bit too rich, and I feel as if like that one would look more like a contour on me, and that's not what I was going for. So I think I made the right decision with going with Laguna 4. I love how it looks on me. I just love the warmth that it's given me. And again, it does have a slight smell, but the smell is, to me, it's a very pleasant smell, and you only smell it when you are applying the product on, if it's close to your nose, and if you know, like smelling it from the actual package. But it's nothing that's overbearing, and you don't smell it after that. It's a really nice smell in my opinion. But yeah, I really like this. I definitely would suggest to give it a try if you are interested, since they did extend the shades. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching another one. You guys know I definitely appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.